Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run neural network in KNIME. Neural networks use a variety of algorithms for training and making predictions, including backpropagation, gradient descent, and stochastic gradient descent. These algorithms involve adjusting the weights and biases of the neurons in the network based on the error between the predicted output and the actual output for a given input. During the training process, the neural network algorithm iteratively adjusts the weights and the biases of the neurons to minimize the error between the predicted output and the actual output. This is done by propagating the error backwards through the network, updating the weights and biases of each neuron based on its contribution to the error. Now let's see how we can do this in KNIME. So for this, we will activate the KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate the input-output node from here. CSV reader, because my file is in CSV format. I'll double click on it. I'll browse the dataset, which is in CSV format. Click on Heart 1, open, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again right click on it and see the file table. It consists of many variables. We want to generate the model. The target variable is heart disease based on age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, and maximum hours of exercise. So we want to filter the variables. I will take all the variables on left hand side and only include age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now click on it and see the filter table. You can see here that all these variables are on different scale and it is necessary that we normalize it. So we will activate the normalizer. Right click on it, configure. Three types of normalization are there. I request all my viewers to kindly refer previous videos for the detailed explanation of this normalization. Here we are using mean max normalization. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now we'll activate the neural network algorithm. So for this it is rprop rprop MLP learner. Now right click on it, configure. Make sure that the heart disease is a target variable. Click on it, execute. Again right click on it and you can see the error plot. The error plot, the error is reducing, which is quite desirable. You should get the error plot in neural network where error is decreasing. Further, right click on it, neural network. You will never get any equation, just like regression analysis or logistic regression in neural network, and therefore neural network is considered as a black box algorithm. So this is a way you can run neural network in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.